Do you know that the Lekki Free Trade Zone is the first private free trade zone in Nigeria and the biggest in West Africa? With a neighborhood that includes the Lekki Deep Sea Port, the Dangote Refinery, and a host of other important developmental milestones, a real estate investment in this corridor is guaranteed to yield massive present-future returns. This is why we present to you Irishvine. Irishvine has a government-approved excision as a title and is located at Orofun, Ibeju-Lekki. This property currently sells for 7.5 million naira per plot, but we are currently running a limited promo for 5.5 million naira only. Let us help you secure this offer. Call us now.